Apollo, that's my name. That's my rap name. Put my sunglasses on. I got a mouth full of shrooms and a mind full of room. We call that headspace. Thoughts going crazy like a typhoon. Then we break off some tree and rise to the moon. It makes us feel free, but we'll be back again soon to smoke another gram, pop another Zan. Put that mic up in my hand, cause when I'm spitting, I'm the man. We grind and gritty, and we find the titties. We right above the shining city. We make the best wine. Anywhere you look, the views are so pretty. You know we a part of Trip City, like a bike with a chain. You gotta lube it up and tighten up all the lyrics from your brain. Channel your energy, don't snap, that's insane. Just keep walking to the hopeful lane to reach the fame. I wanna be in the game to the flame, so we never have to feel the pain of being broke again. Struggling to pay my bills, but somehow the bills get paid. Only ever see me make it, no we never faking. I was a dreamer, then I found magical sativa. Smoked until I choked, now I'm a fiend. I'm talking reefer. If I could go back, I wouldn't change a damn thing, except for the intake of THC going directly to my damn brain. It's slowing me down like my tires are popped. It's pointless for me, cause when I don't have it, I start to notice why I'm such an addict. It feels like I've been fired and shot 12 times in the same exact spot. But I keep pushing, cause it's the only life that I got. I keep rhyming, cause my dream is to make it to the top, but never stop once I'm up there. Keep releasing demons so heathens can find my enemies and make them quit breathing. Because to me this rapping shit comes as easy as breathing. But you're still all in sequence while I'm cracking the code. I stay in contact when I roll. It's when I smoke that I float towards the unknown. It's when I fry that I think I'm gonna die, so I run home. I'm so done, I need fun hoes. I'm tired of pretending that I am the one though. No problem, I'm gonna face that would be worth solving, unless it affects me or my tree. I think you're just stalling me. I'm trying to rise up to the point where you could never dream of falling. Is that ballin'? I wouldn't even know. I stay humble when people say I got the demon flow, but I don't believe in any religion. So how do you think the story goes, huh? Tell me. But yes, I guess I see some ghosts. When I make a mess, I clean it though. Please respect, never neglect, because I'm gonna wreck this brand new flow. You already know Apollo's gonna kill it off the go. Go ahead, my phone is already dialing my bros to bring all of the ruckus. You motherfuckers can't touch us. When I say this shit, you know I ain't bluffing, bitch, it's nothing. We all thinking that we stunting, tripping out about the walls and white widows, what we're puffing. And when we do the shows, you know the ladies love it. All we do is push a button, we don't have to turn the key. Apollo will be rapping for all eternity, cause these MCs can't murder me. Come on boy, can't you see I'm a goddamn beast.